Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, everyone. This is Will Duckworth, lead strategist at Narrowgate Trading. It's late Wednesday afternoon here in Los Angeles on March 5th, 2025. And if you were here during the trading that was going on during the New York session, let me pull up the image I need here. Need to go to share screen, look for the right window. Okay, let me see if it's showing up on my laptop. Okay, there it is. Minimize this window here. Okay, so if you were here during the trading that was going on during the New York session earlier today, you'll recall that I said this euro dollar US dollar position was the last one I intended to enter this morning. But actually, I did still have my eye on the US dollar Canadian dollar. Let me try to find that image. Okay, here it is. So I wanted to see the pair reverse direction right here. I wanted to see it reverse direction there and head south. But the price action was extremely slow and I was getting bored waiting for it to happen. So I began to look to do some other things. And when I checked back in 20 minutes, it had already plunged down to this level and bounced back, which was too bad because I could have theoretically made 40 to 50 pips worth of profit with this trade. I'm therefore working out a system where I can go to do other things and still keep my eye on potential trade setups that are in the process of developing. And this is going to be necessary because at this point, I'm becoming extremely selective in terms of the conditions or circumstances under which I'm willing to pull the trigger. So I'm having to wait longer and longer intervals of time before I finally see what I'm looking for, which brings me to my next point, which was though I hadn't planned to make any additional trades, the forecast models that are coming out of recent trading suggested at least one other simple or basic strategy I want to explore. In this case, I observed the right set of conditions with respect to the Aussie dollar, US dollar. And as you can see from this next image, I'm going to try to find here. Let me see. Okay. Let me select window. And here it is. Let me double check to make sure that it's showing. I don't see it yet. Oh, I didn't click on share. Now let me see if it shows up. There it is. So then with respect to the Aussie dollar, US dollar, there was a other potential trade setup that I wanted to explore. And as you can see here, This trade pretty much went exactly as well as I might have hoped. So that brings me to the currency pairs I will be primarily focused on during the current or this new 24-hour market cycle, which I call seriously trending currency pairs. And they are everything except the US dollar Swiss franc and the US dollar Japanese yen. So now I need to open up my Oanda chart, get this out of the way, looking for the right window, click on window, get my Oanda chart, click on share. Let me double check to make sure this is actually showing. And there it is. Okay, so I will be looking to go along in the case of the Aussie dollar Japanese yen, the Aussie dollar US dollar, the euro dollar British pound, the euro dollar Japanese yen, the euro dollar US dollar, the British pound Japanese yen, the British pound US dollar, and that's it for long positions. For short positions, I will be looking to sell the US dollar Canadian dollar. That's after I observe them coming out of significant pullbacks and I get, um, what is the word I want to use? Not validation, but confirmation from the corresponding trigger signals. So, in the meantime, let me wish everyone the best of luck. And until next time, if indeed there is a next time, hasta luego, mis amigos.